sloppy as it was. Stops dead in that wind.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Still a bit sloppy.
Too sloppy.
It's almost. It's almost like a delayed reaction to the input.
I hope not.
I don't know what that is. I don't know if you felt it.
No, no.
It might just be me being used to it.
You can knock your rate up more if you want, or you expo down.
I think it's going to be expo. See, I normally turn that corner there between the trees. I normally turn that corner side. Although it could be that wind, because that wind's quite strong coming from that side, isn't it?
True. We could knock your expo down a bit. I think you might have quite a lot on there.
Right, my eyes are starting to water something chronic now. Ah, there's the problem.
What?
I've been off throttle.
That's better. Go on.
Remember I said you were call authority?
Yeah, that's better. Look at that.
I am fighting the wind a little.
Do a nice downwind pass then. That's shifting, mate. And that's into the wind. Go on. Ooh.
Again.
That was. Nice.
Rough in that wind.
That's okay, that's okay. Just chill and enjoy.
With my pattern right. Getting this?
I'm getting it. I'm getting it.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, how nice and close you're keeping this.
Take that with a good crosswind. Show them the crosswind.
Look at that.
I'm happy with that.